Alright, what is up developers, there is Mike here and I'm here at work and I have a couple of minutes to show you what's going on with this new trend that's like taking over the internet, which is this AI generated Ghibli images. You can just throw in your image and just say to any AI, turn it to a Ghibli style artwork, and it's gonna give you back your image with this new artwork you see everywhere on social media, okay? So if you're excited, let's jump straight into it. So what exactly is this trend? Well, basically it's all about transforming any image you have, okay, to an artwork that's following the Ghibli studio style, okay? And this style is adopted by a lot of like Japanese people, and let me read that for you, okay? It's adopted by someone called Hayao Miyazaki, okay? He is famous for these artworks, and I'm gonna show you why this trend is taking over the internet. Like if I go to Instagram and I will go to my Explore, you're gonna see from your eyes, okay? Let me show you. So if I go on my Instagram and search hashtag Ghibli, okay, you can see that everybody's posting about this. And let me show you an example, like this post, all right? So you see the original image, okay? This is the transformed image. And it's actually the same, but AI generated and in this amazing style, okay? This is why everybody's going crazy about it. It's really accurate, it's really amazing, and when you see yourself with this new style, you will say, wow. Let me show you what I did, like my own images. So if I come here and open a new ChatGPT chat and just insert an image and tell him transform this image to anime by Ghibli studio style and wait for it to generate, it's gonna generate this image, all right? Look at it, it looks so beautiful. Even the whiteboard behind me is so accurate, okay? I'm gonna put this on the screen right now so you can see it in high res, but it's really impressive. And I also told him to generate this image, which I mainly use for my reels, okay? And he did actually transform it to something super beautiful. And this is me. You see, it's so accurate, and this is why everybody's loving this, because it makes it so alive and makes it so beautiful, okay? And I'm really impressed by that, okay? All you have to do is just tell him to transform that, and you can transform any image you want to this new Ghibli style, okay? Now, let me talk to you about what's happening behind the hook, okay? So what's happening behind the curtains? So I've made here a small diagram to understand what's happening technically. I'm not gonna go really into details, but you just need to know what's happening, okay? So first of all, you got the input image. So you got a reference of your image. Then this passes to the LLM. And this could be ChatGPT, for example, okay? So it handles the style description, the Ghibli elements, the scene enhancements, everything happening over here is gonna be done by the LLM or ChatGPT, okay? And this is what they improved with this new update, okay? The LLM section. Then it sends it to an image generation model. It could be dall-e, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and this gets to work, okay, depending on the prompt that got generated by the LLM, okay? And of course it follows Ghibli styles, okay, which is a soft pastel color palette and a hand painted textures. So these visual elements will get applied to the image generation model, and then it's gonna convert it to a Ghibli style output. So this is basically what's happening on a technical level. I'm not gonna go really deep into it, like show you a code sample, because we're just doing a friendly, like quick vlog over here, all right? Now there's a problem behind this trend, okay? The problem is that Studio Ghibli didn't license, okay, the style for AI generation. So probably we're not allowed to use these AI generated images, Ghibli style, to probably promote our products, to ads or anything, okay? And maybe we might see this fading away, okay, if the studio decides to do a copyright infringement to ChatGPT or to these LLMs that are using the style to generate these images, okay? We don't know what's gonna happen. I know for a fact that this is happening in the background. It could resolve very easily and everybody could still be generating these, but I think it's a bit too late right now because everybody's generating them already. so we need to see what's gonna happen next. But there's some copyright stuff happening in the background. We'll see what's gonna happen with the news, okay? Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more, and tell me in the comments down below if you think this trend is gonna die, or you think any problems might arise with it, like the copyright thing we talked about, okay? And if you want, join our Discord server, because we're gonna help you be a better developer, our Dev Treasure Discord, okay? And I'll see you in the next one.